Hello everyone, I'm Oz and in this video I'll be talking to you about Altrady. But let's do the fun part first. So here goes the disclaimer. The information contained herein is for informational purpose only. Nothing herein shall be construed to be a financial, legal or tax advice. The content of this video is solely the opinions of the speaker, who is not a licensed financial advisor or a registered investment advisor. Trading cryptocurrencies possesses considerable risk of loss. The speaker does not guarantee any particular outcome. And this is solely me sharing with you what I know, what I've learned, and what I think. Now that we are done with the fun part, let's get into all trading. So first off, I started. I came across this because I was doing the QFL, quick finger looks. I was studying that strategy, and the strategy is based on bases basically. And so I came across. He mentioned over there was a crypto base scanner basically. When I started looking for it, eventually I came across the crypto base scanner, and that itself has become Altrady, which is great. It is a whole complete system, which is awesome, and has so many nice things from alerts to you can layer orders. You have bases already drawn for you. You have this scanner on your right, which tells you whenever a base cracks, and you can put alerts on that as well, and so many other things. So in this video, I'm going to give you an overview of what Altrady does, what are the bells and whistles attached to it, and the cost associated to it as well, and who is it for? Who would could really use this and do wonders with this tool. Yeah. So this is how the dashboard looks. You can move things around, and place them whenever you want to place them, and it's like just like any other platform where you're allowed to move stuff from here to here and all that. Okay. And then on the top you can have tabs, with all the different coins that you want and or you have want to buy, or you have or interested in. This is where you have all the markets. This is where you have your watch list, and this is where you have recent stuff that you've been to. Okay, so at the moment I have KuCoin connected to this, just to give you guys an idea. You can connect quite a few exchanges to this. So this is where the trading terminal looks like. This is like charts, which is great also, that you can have like one page which has all your charts on coins that you're interested in, which is pretty cool to have, and you can see, okay, when how Bitcoin is moving and how the other coins are reacting to the movement of the Bitcoin according to that, and like you can see this is just for like that. Anyways, portfolio is portfolio. I don't really use it, but you can add your accounts and see what you have in your portfolio and all that over here, which is great. You can add your wallets as well. Then these are analytics, which tells you your win rates. I've been using 3 commas, but I had to give this guy a thumbs up as well. I don't really trade that much, but for people who like trading, this is great actually. Anyway, so this is where you'll see your win rate and net profit and all that. And then these are statistics, about, because this is about the QFL. So for the conservative day trade position, everything, you can see what the statistics are on the returns and success rates of conservative, of day trade, and of position trade as well. And these are the top pairs. Again, you can change these settings and everything, no problem at all. And then same goes for the currencies. Crypto Academy is what it is. It's a place where you can learn, and then support is there, and then settings. In settings, generally the main thing is this. This is one of the scanners. So this is the API for the scanner, and this is where you connect the exchanges. And You can even connect CoinG, and then global settings. This is the settings of alerts that you have, and they have like really nice. This is something I like, Uh, no, it's not this. Soft rising, yeah. Oh, voice, sorry.
Rising.
Yeah, I like this. Rising, and it even has falling, I think, voice falling. I don't know, fat finger.
Fat finger.
Fat finger, and then it has
Dropping.
dropping. This is the one I like the most. Dropping. Anyways, point being is that you've got these alerts and stuff for the base scanner, for the custom alerts, for your default alerts, and your trade alerts, and your quick scan alerts. So you can, choose whatever you like. Base scanner notification. So again, this is based on the QFL strategy, and this is what the base scanner will show you, whatever you have selected, whether it will be original, which is 1 hour, day trading, which is also 1 hour, but it waits for the candle to close. Conservative is 2 hours, and then position trader is 4-hour candles, and this is just another scanner, and that's about it. So this is how it looks. So let's jump back to the trading part. Okay, so once you have whatever chart you have open, they'll tell you it's dropping or it's rising. So for example, let's look at this chart. And what the first thing this software does is already creates these bases. You already have these bases which are being respected. As you can see, it went down here, it came back up here, it broke from here, it came back, touched the base. It did not touch that base. This base, it came, touched this base, went up, broke through that base. So this is the safe circle. So yeah, when you open it more, you can see that I have an alert on this base. If this base gets broken, yeah, that's the time to buy, and alert me. And here goes the rest of the bases as well. So this is really good. For an alert, you simply go here, click alert, move. You can move this, I think, or you put alert here. I think last time I was able to move it. Yeah, there you go. I want to put an alert here. You put your note here, whatever note you want to put. CQT, for example, you want it to be recurring or not, whatever sound you like, and save, and your alert is there now placed. Okay, so that's one of the awesome things, that you can just place an alert. Yeah, you can place alerts in TradingView, but the thing is this, that TradingView to have limitation on the alerts. Here you don't have any limitation, and these guys charge like about, if you go for the annual program, it's like $33 a month. And so this is one of the features, the alert feature, which is very nice. Now let's look at other features. So they have, you can see your orders, you have your break even calculator, your notes, your base info, that's the base breaks and stuff, and your orders, your positions, okay, and the trading, and in trading panel you have, I've moved this around, yeah. They have market, limit, stop, ladder, take profit, trailing profit. For example, if we go to ladder, the others mostly people know. So I want to say that when it breaks this 1.2496, I want to start buying all the way down till this, okay, for example. So 1.25, let's say 2503, 1.2503, and I want to spend $500, for example, okay, and I want to create let's say 8 orders, okay, and yeah. So what you see over here is this, that it's just like it places all of these orders like layered from the price that I said, and you can see that all of them are the same price. So what you can do is you can go over here. They have this thing called a price scale, and you can make it exponential. See what happens when you make it exponential. It's not like this is on the price scale, yeah. So it's still the similar one, and Fibonacci is this like this. Again, the prices are similar. Okay. Now, when you go to the size scale, you say linear. It starts with the least and then slowly adds up, adds up, adds up, adds up, adds up, adds up, adds up. With the Fibonacci style. If you want to do linear, so Fibonacci style is, and this price scale is the depth over here. So if you did linear, after every little while, it's going to increment and buy for you. Okay, and let's do linear reverse. It buys a lot at the start, and then as you go down, the cost becomes smaller and smaller. It depends on you. It depends what you want to do, whether you are like linear reverse, or if you prefer exponential or reverse exponential. So for me, I feel like linear is good, equal is also good, you know. So linear, let's stick to linear, for example. So this is how you do it, and you just click on place order and boom, it's done. Now let's see. Okay, so this was for buying, right? Now if you want to sell also, it's very easy. For example, you want to start selling at 1.332. So you go to start price 1.332, and you want to sell all the way up to 1.4910. 1.4910. Okay, sell how much? You can say percentage as well. I want to sell 75% because I don't have anything right now, so I want to say like 400. Okay, so this is the amount I will receive. How many orders you want to do? Similar to this one, let's do 8 orders. Price scale linear as well, and equally you sell. Okay, actually I wouldn't mind doing selling linear reverse. Okay, so now if we go to the chart, look at this. Beautiful, just beautiful. You know, buy. As it goes down, buy. It's not it's not that you're gonna hit all the orders, but them being there is great. You know, you layer it and you DCA your price, and then the same goes over here. Like as soon as it hits your price, it starts selling, and you like, for example, right now it's selling for 14 only, and then as it goes higher, it sells more. So for this, you say, oh, I think I want to do, for example, linear reverse. For this one would be nice. I think that you sell 118, then it goes here, and as it goes up, it sells more. Or you can sell at equal prices as well. So anyway, excuse me. So this is one of the functions that I like a lot, you know. So the one is that you can put as many alerts that you want. Two is that you can place these orders directly from the system, you know, and have so many layers into it. And then another thing that I liked about this was that it shows you these arrows, you know. This is where you buy, this is where you buy, this is where you sold, this is where you buy. So it automatically picks up your buy and sell positions and places these arrows here, which is my third point that I like about this thing, is that this is really helpful. So you have your bases, and of course the bases are the main points, so 4 points. The bases are there, and these arrows are there, so you know what's you've been doing, what orders you're placing visually. which is pretty awesome. And I think every platform should incorporate this into their system. So yeah, so this is how all of this works, and how it looks. And then yeah, and then you have your trades, your order books. I've placed them on the side over here. Let me just show you how this all of this looks. These are all your positions. If you took any positions, so it tells you how much of it has been sold, how much of it is bought, and stuff like that. And all the things are here. These are the orders that you have placed. This is a calculator. If you're shorting or doing anything, you can do your calculation. And then these are just notes. This is the base for this one, at the moment. And normally you see bases at 1 hour basis. So the base of this one, the main base, is up here. Yeah, this one. So this dot is there at the bottom. And then you have the news. If you're interested in the news, it's got like your portal of news of mostly coins that you have and stuff, and sticks to that. And then yeah, so that's the major chunk of it. You can go to the market depth, you can look at that, you can look at the chart, and then there's the main thing, which is, so I have alerts here as well, and here this is where you can see all of your alerts. Again, you can move these around, and you can even move these to the bottom if you like. And then these are the base. This is one of the feature that it started with. Actually, this is the crypto base scanner, and this is how far it has come. That it's a whole system, and I'm telling you about it, the main thing that it started with at the end. But that's the whole point of it. So this is like all the bases on our settings over here, based on one on QFL original day trade. Yeah. And then you can have filtered settings as well. You can filter it, and you can add exchanges, how much minimum volume should be there, drop percentage, let's say 10, let's say 15, and minimum 5, let's say. So you can see already like things are disappearing, right? So minimum 50, maximum let's say 20. Right now the market is not moving up or down that much, that's why. Then you can choose the success rates and respects rates, like how many times the base has been respected. Anyways, so I'm not going to do this. Don't save. So how to look at the scanner is very simple. This is the number of times it has respected the base in percentage, and 3 out of 4 times it's respected the base when it drops. So you can see, go through the scanner, see what's up. You can search over here. The scanner keeps updating all the time. Then you can see here they tell you the exchanges. So this is any exchange, pretty much all the exchanges. And then you can have your saved ones as well on fixed exchanges. So here, if you can see, this is only showing me KuCoin, because KuCoin is connected. Here if you go, you can see FTX, UOB, a lot of other, and different pairs as well. This all depends on your settings. Yeah. So again, active, this is where you will see all the drops and everything, and the percentage changes on coins which are either having an aftershock pump or having a fat finger, or where the base is being broken, majorly on the base being broken. And quick scan is like if you like to search for something, so then you can have a quick scan based on that. And then yeah, this is the markets, where you can create your watch list, what I said to you in the start. Some people prefer to have this on that side. Anyways, so this is was a short overview of Altrady. It's pretty cool for people who are trading. It's very it's good because of the scanner, the bases, the alerts, how you can layer your orders. It's all great, and you get your statistics as well. And they have uh, an pretty active community on Discord as well, which will be there to help you out. I'm just doing this review because I liked it. I think this has potential, but and to show you guys who are basically interested in this type of trading, and having alerts is great, as well, so it's always great to know, okay, the base broke and I can go and buy now in the safe circle. So yeah, I hope you liked what you saw. If you enjoyed this video, please do smash the like button. Please do subscribe if you are enjoying the content, and do share with others as well, whoever you think this would be helpful for. And I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.